size and color,
Seagull.
the color of its mantle or its back, and this one it's very pale gray, and then the color of its wingtips. So those are, and its eye color a little bit. Yep, for sure. Anything else, Claudia?
No, that's good.
Sometimes there's always a patch on the tip of the gull, and sometimes it's whether that's red and black, or just black, or it's at the tip or the base. With gulls, we've got the large 4-year gulls, which are what many of these are. They're the typical downtown gull you see. They become adults in their 4th year. And that's why we're just giving you the adult breeding plumage, because every year, up till their 4th year, they have a different winter and breeding plumage. So that's 8 different plumages you would have to learn. So most people that start bird watching develop a real hate for gulls and shorebirds almost immediately. But they're a beautiful bird, very adaptable. Some researchers are now calling all this genus, Larus, one species. That would make life a lot easier, but then we'd be interested in subspecies. Because a lot of them can hybridize. But if you look at the back of this one and his wingtips, are the wingtips black or darker than the mantle, lighter than the mantle, or the same color as the mantle? And the mantle, remember, is the gray on his back. Anybody see the bird and willing to answer that? Okay, look again. So it may be a slight bit darker. So we're looking at the dark parts of the wingtips, but it's whether they're black or close to the gray color of the mantle or white. I want you to... So the wingtips look like they're checkered. They look white, the form of gray or black, white, gray or black, white, gray or black. They often look like the tail, but they're not the tail. So in this bird, I want you to see that gray is very similar color to the mantle or the back. Check that again. Yeah, they look so the wingtips on this one look very close to the same color of the back or the mantle. And if that's the case, there's only one that's like that. But to confirm it, it also has pink legs. Does this guy have pink legs? He's got a very massive yellow bill with a bit of a red at the tip. It's called a gonus or a gonidial patch. It's what the babies peck at to make the parents throw up on them, which is a good thing if you're a baby. That's good food. So the only one like that is called the glaucous wing gull. The glaucous wing has the same color mantle as the wingtip.